everyone, it's me Diane and welcome to my kitchen, Diane's Kitchen. Today we will be making crispy tacos and of course with a twist. And you know what's the twist? Of course our famous Filipino adobo. So we will gonna use beef, just a pound of ground beef because it's just me and my husband, and then a tomato, just one full tomatoes, and part of lettuce, onions, garlic, vinegar, soy sauce, cheese, and bay leaves, and little more later. So keep watching. I will make this so yummy for you guys. Let's start. Good luck to me. This is my first time to do this. So a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit because the meat will be making its own fat. Oil. And garlic first. For me, I don't know how you guys cook, if garlic first or onion first. Mine, I want garlic first. I'm used to it that way. Like the smell. Smell garlic, of course. Then let's just wait for a little bit until it gets brown, a little brown. There we go. And then onions. And then next we'll put the ground beef. And you think this one will come out right?
I think it will.
You think?
Yes.
Sa tingin mo, hindi ako papahiya. Oh. No comment siya kasi hindi niya naiintindihan ang sinabi ko. A little bit of water. And we'll put the bay leaves. And then just wait to simmer for a little bit. And at the same time, I'm cooking boiled peanuts. Next, we're gonna put the vinegar. I think that's enough vinegar. I have my food critic here. At the same time, cameraman. Okay, and next we'll put a little bit of dried oregano. Then paprika. Do wanna close? Then a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little hotness on it. There. Try to mix it again. Smells good.
It does.
sauce. Then, of course, soy sauce. And then our oyster sauce. Okay, and then we'll put a little bit of ground pepper there. Then we'll wait until the meat gets tender. Tender, loving care. We're gonna put the shell inside the oven for about 4 minutes. Oops. There you go, and we just need to put melt some cheese in here. There. Ooh, looks good.
It does.
Maybe I need to point it out. Then we'll put cheese on top of the taco. There. Then it's done. Paste it. Now let's do this. Put some beef, adobo beef. There you go. You want more, hon?
Yes.
And then sour cream.
Yes.
Oops, I need another. Oops, oops. Ooh, yeah. Some tomatoes. And then I'll just use my hands. They're clean. Anyway. Oops, messy, messy. There you go. And then sprinkle cheese on top. Me. There. Sorry, it's a little bit messy. One for me. I just want a little bit of this. And okay. One more. One came off. I'm
Guess it's
struggling here, guys.
Still too cold, I guess.
Does it look good?
It looks good to me.
And a little bit of cheese, of course. Just a little for me. There you go. Oh, oops, oops. It's not doing good. That's it? Or one more? One more. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Oops. Oh. Well. My hands, they're clean. Just. There you go. Oops. There's my adobo. Crispy, what? Adobo crispy tacos. There you go.
Smell good.
There you go. Okay. And it's time for tasting.
Oh, I'm ready for tasting.
Adobo crispy tacos. Okay. Bam.
Should we do it at the same time?
Oh!
Yeah. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh wow.
It's so good.
That is good.
I'm proud of myself. Maybe I could sell this one.
Maybe so. That's very good. Adobo. Or how should we call it? Do you have any suggestions?
So simple and so tasty.
I think you should make more.
You could give this a try. You finished yours?
Yeah.
Wow.
I give it 2 thumbs up.
Just 2?
I have 2.
Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and click that belly button. Click that bell for you to get a notification for our new videos.
Y'all have a great day.
Bye-bye. Be safe out there, guys. Bye-bye. See you soon.